So Anika, please go ahead, introduce yourself and share your private and one-on-one bootcamp journey at TS4U.
First of all, I'd like to say thank you, sir, and of course the Dollon Apu. Without sir and Apu, it's actually never been possible to came here like too far. And yeah, so the journey I started from December last year, 2023. And I just completed all the workshop, all the content around during the Ramadan. Maybe on April, and then from there, sir just gave me the resume, and then I start my job search. So the first thing, yes, I'd say the one-on-one bootcamp is very beneficial because I came here since like more than 8 years in US, and I actually went through some of the courses with the group, with the class. I actually almost ended up my master's classes over here. I just need to go a few more credits. So I know how the courses and how the university study works. But to be honest here, this is the best thing I ever experienced in here one-on-one bootcamp, because all the time, like there is no way to you have to focus. This is the first thing. And of course, if you if you want to skip or if you want to like jump over, there is a private coach, Dollon Apu, Zihad Bhai. I just got Zihad Bhai. So there is no way to jump over and there is no way to skipping for anything, because Dollon Apu, every day there is a sync up call with Apu, and then I have to tell her like what is my update, during daytime, what I did, how's my progress. So this is the best thing. And for here, you have to, or anyone have to be honest. Like, yeah, if you just like went through the workshop for 10 minutes, you have to say, okay, today I have been busy with this work, but yeah, this is the 10 minutes I have been through, because there is no way to be lying. Because if you lie, you have to lying with yourself, not sir or not Apu. So, and if you lie yourself, you'll be, stay behind, or you are just, stay behind in your career. So that's the thing I realized. Anything happen, just be honest. So this is the first thing. And then, yeah, of course, hard work and everything. That the second thing, you have to be learn, you have to stay concentrate. Sometimes like the frustration, depression comes out, but you have to overcome. And for here, sir is here, you have to communicate with sir, you have to communicate with Apu, you have to share your hardship, you have to share your day-to-day situation, and then they will be always here for helping us.
Thank you.